This is the best stock to trade for Wednesday, and this is going to be on ticker AFJK. That's right, my friends, ticker AFJK. Now, you may say, Sam, this ticker is already up over freaking 500%. Why are you talking about this ticker? Well, first things first, just because something is up, it doesn't mean it can't go up more. I mean, just take a look at SMX, right? The ticker ran from $3 to $80, then from $80 to $250, then from $250, it peaked at approximately $490 per share. Right, so the market conditions that we are in right now, we can have multi-day runners. However, you need to make sure that you're selecting them correctly. So today's video is going to have three main segments: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to talk about why this ticker is running. The what, some stock analysis. The where, where to get in, where to get out. So without further ado, let's get into it. So when it comes to AFJK, man, this is a ticker which is pretty much like a blank check company. It's a SPAC stock, okay? That's really what it is, right? It's a SPAC stock. It's going crazy. It's going absolutely nuts. It's already ripped all the way upwards of, it recently had its IPO as a blank check ticker. It has yet not done any mergers and acquisitions or anything like that, right? And we had the stock going absolutely bonkers from $6.70 all the way upwards of $100 per share, right? Again, up over a whopping freaking 1,000% at its peaks. However, in the after hours, the stock did dip all the way back down to $56, right? For a whopping 37% dip. So what the hell is going on next? Well, I'm going to tell you guys exactly what's going on. Well, this is a ticker that has a very limited number of shares. It has a very limited number of shares. And when you get the volume coming in and buying these tickers, they go absolutely nuts. This isn't the first time that we've seen a SPAC company go absolutely bonkers. And that's exactly what we're seeing when it comes to AFJK. In fact, when we go over here, it says MA Health Technology is a blank check company which engages in entering a merger, share size, asset acquisition, share price, security capitalization, reorganizations, and similar business combinations with one or more businesses. The company was founded in April 2023 and is headquartered in New York, all right? But right now, when you take a look at it, right, there's really no news. They have no plans of going ahead and actually, having a merger or anything like that. However, remember, right, as traders, we freaking love volatility. Volatility is where the money is made, man. Volatility is where the money is made. And I'm telling you guys right now, this ticker is going to have a lot of trading opportunities heading into Wednesday. So let's get to the where already. Okay, Sam, okay, we get it. Where do I get in? Where do I buy? Where do I sell? Well, the levels that I'm looking to buy, I would be a buyer at approximately the $30 levels, right? So I would want to play this $30 level for a bounce all the way upwards of 36 to, let's say, 38-ish for something like a 20 to 25-ish percent, give or take, right? Those are the levels that I would want to play. And I'm probably not going to touch it unless it gets closer to there, or if we get a break above $100. Then if we get a break above $100, I'm going to buy it. Because listen, let me tell you something, the number one mistake that a lot of traders make when it comes to these tickers, right? Right now, this ticker is in no man's land, okay? It's literally in no man's land, right? It's in the middle. It hasn't yet decided whether it wants to pull back up, and this is just going to be a dip, or it's going to be, I mean, I'll show you guys like better, I think on the 2-hour chart shows well, right? So right now it's right in the middle, right? So we're not really yet certain whether this is going to be a pullback and the stock's going to pull back up and rip above the 107 or 108 levels and go to the upside, or we're going to see a massive decline all the way back down to the $30 levels and then give us a bounce from $30 to the upside. So what you want to be doing, right, is you don't want to be buying it right now when it's in that limbo phase, right? You either want to buy the stock when it's cheap and you're buying the dip, or you want to be buying the stock when it's expensive and you have all the momentum in the world behind you pushing the stock to the upside to your target price. That's when you want to trade these tickers, all right? Right? When you're looking at it right now, I mean, this price action, you don't want to be buying it right now because this is literally just the coin toss up, right? At this point, it can go up, it can go down, it can go sideways, it can go left, it can go backwards, whatever, right? And anyone that can tell you, hey, I know where it's going to go, blah, 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 they're full of shit. They're completely full of shit because a ticker like this, literally running based off of no news, it's a SPAC company. I mean, it's an oddball. It's an oddball, right? So you don't want to be buying it in the middle phases right now. And that's why, in our own trading community, a lot of people are like, oh my God, I want to buy it. And I said, hey, listen, just wait for the 30 phase. Just wait for 35 potentially, right? These are the levels which we're going to be buying this ticker for a bounce upwards of, like I said again, $36 to $38, right? Those are levels that I'm looking to buy. Now, listen, I trade almost every single day. We crushed it today, guys, when it came to trading NCLP. We called it at $1. NCLP ran all the way upwards of almost $2. So almost a 2x on that single trade. If you guys are interested in trading alongside me, check out our private community. If you're tired of losing, if you're tired of freaking just donating money into the markets, give our community a shot. Our community is the only community in the world which gives you access to everything, day trailers, swing alerts, options, everything. And we're the only community that offers a 2 weeks free trial, 14 days free, and a 30 days money back guarantee. You know, when I say that, people are always like, oh, well, Warrior Trading does 14 days free trial. Jimmy from the block does 14 days free trial. But they don't do a 30 days money back guarantee. You ever wonder why? I'll tell you why. Because their strategy relies on you forgetting that you joined. Your card gets charged and they're like, haha, gotcha. That's not how we operate. This is why we have over 400 plus members coming back month after month after month. Literally, this is what I'm talking about. NCLP would jump in at $1. It ripped all the way upwards of 9. See, I'm nothing wrong with quick in and out 2 minutes. I just made it what I make in 8 hours. Thank you for the trading floor. Not sure who posted first. He's talking about one of the members. Bam, there we go. Right, quick in and out. First day since joining up 18% for today. Thank you, Sam, and the community. See you tomorrow. Beautiful, beautiful. Literally new member joined like 2 days ago, something like that. Thank you, Bushra Jess and Bullpick, for answering my 12 zillion questions. So again, right, 2 weeks free trial, 30 days money back guarantee, $46 over here for my man Ron. Crushing it, man. Yesterday we made a kill on CTX. This is literally yesterday. CTX, hope the rest of the week goes like this. Thank you both for your guidance, and I was in this crazy stock. Beautiful, man. Beautiful, beautiful. PLRZ, we crushed it on PLRZ. YYAI. Aster says, today I want to share my profits as a member of this group. I'm very amazed by the services of these people. So good and appreciative of their work, like Sam, Bullpick, Portrages, Capitalists. These are the other mentors alongside myself. I want to say you have to be patient on why you will be more red in your investment, but you just, I'm not going to do all this, but, you know, 34,000 GBP. Okay, 34, I mean, that's crazy. $39 over here for Eugene. So we have big wins, we have small wins, we got them all. My man says, last few weeks have been super fun. Had a holiday break and literally spend most of the time with you guys. Appreciate all the mentors take their time to trade with us. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Says 10K goal, 10K a month goal. Absolutely possible. $27 over here for Heather. Pretty good climb after getting the hang of things plus market helps. Thank you, Sam Purchases. Beautiful. Look at this climb. Beautiful. Give it a shot, guys. Give it a shot, okay? The link is in the comment section in the description. Weepo Man says, when is this? This is now December 3rd. He says, 7 trial. He means trial. 7 trial is down, 7 to go. Open a new broker account to track this Discord alerts. And if this keeps up, I'm going to become a paid member. Thank you. So again, day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, lessons, one-on-one, dividend stocks, you name it, we got it. Give it a shot. I promise you, you're not going to regret at least trying the 2 weeks free trial. And if you do, what's at stake? Literally nothing. It's free. No brainer. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have us in trading. Keep AFJK on your radar, guys, around the $30 levels. Those are the levels I'm going to be buying. Thank you for watching. Your boy Sam from Academy.